Here is a business idea you can start from your phone today. Doesn't require any money, no inventory, no laptop, or a website. Go to this website right here, affiliate-program.amazon.com. Click the sign up button. Once you've created your account, you can search for different products on Amazon. For example, I typed in iPad and it gave me a bunch of options here for iPad. Click on Get Link. Make sure you shorten the link and then copy the link. Now here's the cool part. If someone clicks your link and purchases the product, you get paid a commission on that product. But you also will get a commission on everything else that they buy until they find another affiliate that they click a link on. So if they go buy some headphones, but then they also go buy a $2,000 or $3,000 product, you get commission on both of those at the same time. Whatever else is in their cart, you will get a commission on for being that affiliate.